Okay, welcome back children. First and foremost, I would like to tell you that there's a try these in page 123, which is actually draw a figure on the ground in the form of a horizontal number line as shown below, and frame the questions as given, set in an example, and you have to ask your friend. So you just cancel it if you cannot do it because it's an activity kind of. We need to ask things from the friends. Okay, so we will not do that. Try these. Instead, we are going to start the next topic. Topic is related to this only. Don't worry. Okay. So how to add integers. Okay. The topic is addition of integers. How do we add integers? So let's do it. Now we all know integers are either negative or integers are positive. So we talk about positive. When integers are positive means when we are adding two positive integers, that is plus 5 plus 2. Okay, plus 5, ध्यान से सुनना. Okay, plus 5 plus 2. Now you can see this is a plus inside. Now this plus gets multiplied to this plus. Okay, ध्यान से सुनो. ब्रैकेट है इसीलिए इसका मतलब है इन दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. ओके, एंड पॉजिटिव इनटू पॉजिटिव, दैट मींस बहुत सारी अच्छाई है. ओके, लॉट ऑफ गुड थिंग्स आर देयर, एंड इफ यू ऐड मोर गुड टू थिंग्स टू इट, सो दैट पॉजिटिविटी इंक्रीजेस. यस, सो पॉजिटिव एंड पॉजिटिव, दैट इज प्लस इनटू प्लस इज एक्चुअली व्हाट, प्लस. ओके, ये दोनों मिलके एक ही साइन बना देते हैं, दैट इज प्लस. You can nothing is there, that is again you can say plus only. So plus into plus is always plus, as we have seen here. So 5 plus 2 gives you what, 7. Let's check this in a number line. Let's check this in a number line. Minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अब हम 0 से कहाँ चलेंगे, 5 पे चलेंगे. We reached here. This is addition, right? After 5, how many numbers? 2 numbers. Positive. That means right side. So 1, 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is 7. Is that correct? Yes. If you write plus 7, nothing wrong. You can see your answer. It is plus 7. Clear? This much is clear. Addition of integers. Under that, when we are adding two positive integers, okay, two positive integers, very simple. You have seen it is a simple addition which we do every day. Okay, we are studying from class 1 like this. ये सब positive है. Yes, हम simple करते थे. This goes to my head, take out your 9 fingers, and then goes to my head, take out your 0 fingers and whatever, and then we did this and we used to do this, and then we used to continue, right? Correct? So that is what, this is actually addition of positive integers only, which we did here. जहाँ हमको ना कुछ देखना पड़ता है ना कुछ सोचना पड़ता है, you have to simply add the numbers. Okay? और अगर देखना की जरूरत है तो you can see like this. Okay? You can always do it. Go ahead, do it and see how it goes. Okay? Clear? So this is about the positive integers. Now comes the negative integers. How do we add two negative integers? हम दो negative integers को कैसे add करते हैं? Let's see how do we add two negative integers. Let's take the same example. Minus 5. We are adding minus 2. Okay, now again there is what, bracket in between these two signs, तो इनका multiplication होगा. Now when you do plus into minus, okay, मतलब जब अच्छाई और बुराई मिलती है तो क्या हो जाता है, ये जो बुराई होती है वो इतनी बुरी होती है, means it is so negative that it cancels the positivity. Okay, generally it is happening in the world. Okay, it is so negative that negative ये जो बुराई होती है ये अच्छाई पे हावी हो जाती है. ओके, मतलब it becomes, it since it is very powerful, the negativity thinks that I am very powerful, so it suppresses the positivity. So that is plus into minus, हमको क्या मिलता है? Minus. Okay, that's how we get so much frustrated ना, कि हमारे problems we are not able to sort out, we are not able to sort out. But the thing is that the light which is inside us, the positive light which is inside us, वो छोटी हो जाती है. Okay, why? Because we are not able to trust it. Got it? Trust yourself. चलो, but that this is not moral values class. I don't want to go into it, but this is just an example which I have given. Plus into minus, minus. That means minus 5 and minus 2. Okay. Now जब दो नेगेटिव साइन एक साथ मिलते हैं, जब दो नेगेटिव, अभी मैंने बताया ना, यहाँ जब प्लस और माइनस मिलते हैं तो दे माइनस becomes, minus is the winner. Okay, but when two negative they try to collide, then what happens? Ultimately they collide and there's a blast. Okay, और जब वो blast होता है तो वहां से अंदर से क्या निकल के आती है? Light. Okay, light of positivity. That means you will add. So minus you do what? You do plus. That means minus and minus you will add. That is 5 and 2 will be added. That is 5 plus 2, which gives you answer what? 7. आंसर क्या आएगा? 7. और क्योंकि दोनों के पास नेगेटिव साइन है, ओके, दे बोथ आर नेगेटिव, सो द रिजल्ट इज आल्सो नेगेटिव. क्लियर? once again I'll explain. When we subtract, sorry, when we add two negative integers, okay, you can see minus 5 plus minus 2. Then when we multiply here, we are multiplying, क्योंकि हमको ये ब्रैकेट खोलना है, हमको सॉल्यूशन करना है. Yes, so minus and plus, when they collide, what comes out? Minus. And when minus and minus they try to collide, यहाँ solution आएगा. So when they collide, okay, they get cancelled and what comes out? Plus. That means minus becomes plus. So we add the integers, and since they both are having, they are tagged with a minus sign, मतलब थोड़ी negativity इनके अंदर बची हुई है, so the result is also negative. Okay? Clear? This we are going to do in the number line also. Let's check number line में ये आता है कि नहीं आता है. So now this is the number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 तक हम चले जाते हैं. Okay, now from 0 to where we have to reach? Minus 5. This is 0, we reached minus 5. Okay, now minus 5 से 2 आगे. Yes, so minus 5 से 2 आगे गए, हम कहाँ पहुँचे? This is your result. Clear? Since it is minus to minus, obviously हम कहाँ जाएंगे? हम लेफ्ट साइड में ही 2 आगे जाएंगे. अगर ये प्लस 2 होता तो हम राइट साइड में 2 आगे जाते, तो हमारा आंसर कुछ और होता. Correct? So you can see, if you check it in a number line also, your answers are matching. So very simple, two things we studied today. In addition of integers, when we add two positive integers, we get a positive result. Answer is positive. When we subtract, when we add two negative integers, then also we add only, okay, we plus only, but the answer is negative. एक बार फिर से, when we add two positive integers, we plus, answer is also positive. When we add two negative integers, then also we plus, but the answer is negative, क्योंकि दोनों के पास माइनस माइनस साइन है. ओके, अब ये याद करने की जरूरत नहीं. You don't mug it up. You can solve. You can always solve whatever is written. What is written? Add the two integers. Suppose two integers are what? minus 5 and minus 2. तो हम minus 5 और minus 2 के बीच में एक प्लस साइन लगा लेंगे. शेल खोलेंगे, -2 का शेल खोलेंगे और -5 का भी शेल खोलेंगे। तो -5 के सामने there is nothing, that means -5 sits alone, but -2 के सामने there is plus. So this plus and minus, they interact with one another. Okay, they get multiplied and ultimately what comes out? Minus comes out. Okay, now since both are minus but we are adding, so minus minus is addition. That means we are going to plus. So 5 plus 2 gives you 7, but since both are negative, so your answer will also be negative. Okay, so this completes the addition of integers. Now based on this addition of integers, there is a try these, children. There is a try these in page 125. We are going to do that. Find the answers of the following additions. Okay, there is addition. So now if you want in your book on page 25 only, above the try these, above your try these, you can write plus into plus, means positive integer ka addition, what do? We plus. Okay, and answer is also positive. Correct? Now negative ka addition also we plus, means answer is the sum of these two, and answer is what? Negative. These are the two properties. ऐसे आप लिख लो, either you can write it in your copy or you can write it on the page where we are starting this try these. Okay, अच्छे colorful से you can write. Got it? So this will always help you. जब आप इसको देख लोगे ना, this will always help you. I have to plus, answer will be positive. I have to plus, answer will be negative. Okay? Okay. Now find the answers of the following additions. Okay, then going ahead, you can see first thing what to do, brackets खोलेंगे. So this will remain -11 only. This will become what? Plus minus minus. Now you can see minus minus, you will have to plus. So 11 and 12 you add, what will come? 23. But sign कौन सा रहेगा? Negative. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों negative है. Got it? Similarly, bracket खोलेंगे, this will become 10, and bracket खोलेंगे, this plus is always plus only. When plus and plus collide, तो और light हो जाती है, so again it is positive. Okay. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Now again minus, so ये minus ही रहेगा. Plus minus minus 25. Both are minus, means we have to plus. So we add. This gives you minus 57. Now one more is there. Simple, it is plus only. So 23 plus 40. So it gives you 60. Now there is another try these in the same page. For that, we need to know the new property. Okay. And today I am not going to teach you the new property. आज मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप यही दोनों जानें. ठीक है? वो हम कल करेंगे. So this much is enough for you for today.